Hello and welcome.
Hello, welcome.
So, as you can see from this video right here, when we were in the skate park, check it out. We broke it. The top broke off for piece number, where is it? Right here. 3614. So the great thing about these trucks, they all have parts that are replaceable. So if you break something, it's very easily replaceable. So as you can see, our cover is very old and destroyed from all of the craziness. So we have a brand new,
Right here, you can see two holes in the back.
dun dun dun,
Love it. Like
our
from this,
brand new cover.
and from this old thing that got taped up a bunch.
We have a bunch of stickers to add on to this to make it look super cool. And we have our parts to be able to fix this. I went on eBay. You can go on Traxxas.com to get all the parts. You got the part numbers on them. You have your part book. Literally breaks down everything. That's why it's good to keep all your information. Breaks down all the parts. Everything can be changed. We broke the axle one winter, drove it into a curb, and had to replace that. So everything's fairly cheap too. We have a replacement toolkit right here, which is also I got, I believe, from Traxxas or eBay, which is nice and cheap and easy. Comes with all the tools that you need. So we're gonna go ahead and take these 4 screws off. Let's go. Let's size. I'm gonna replace both of them because it comes with both. It comes with both. Might as well replace both of them, and then we can lower it too. Make sure when you're taking apart your trucks, hold please, you have all of your screws and all your pieces all organized so you don't mix them up, especially if you're taking off a bunch of pieces.
Why not 6? It's so small.
Alright, number 2.
Screw number 2.
Number 4. Parts. Take out the new part. I'm replacing both of them just because it came with both, but I'll also keep the older part. That way, just in case it does break, and we still have our backup. So, but the one part is broken. 3614, the front one. We hit a pole, and as you can see in the video, boom, it broke.
Should we put on the back one first? So we have the back first?
Yes, sir. All right. Adjust the profile because it has 4 and you need 2. So you can either do the top 2 to have lower or the bottom 2 to be a little bit higher.
We wanted it lower, right?
They're going to be a little lower. So it sits a little bit lower. All right, let me see another one. You can actually pre-screw these into the... All 4 in first before you start screwing, before you tighten anything. Well, because then this side might be raised up too much, you know what I mean? So you always want to, when you're screwing stuff in, you always want to make sure you screw each screw in a little bit first and then tighten them all at the end.
Unless, of course, you're just using one screw. Then it just don't matter how you do it. Fit through here.
Alright, make sure they're nice and tight. Don't want to over tighten.
Don't want to have them too loose. Don't want to have them too
New
tight.
piece on the back, and then the front one. Fixing the broken.
It's going to be right there in the trunk.
It's the same screw size. Actually, is it? It's larger. Toolkit is great. Traxxas. You can buy at Traxxas.com. It literally has all of the sizes you need to be able to work on your chalk car. One screw. Two screws. There's the parts. Two screws. Alright. Old part done. New part.
About to be done. Put it in my truck bed.
Alright. One screw, please. Second screw. Left hand. Oh no! Right hand. Yay!
Yeah, it was right hand, guys. We didn't know. There's also one in the truck bed. Guys, I'm using putting the truck bed to good use. Put everything in there. This in the truck bed. So now we just need to tie it down. Good. It's gonna drive away with no wheels or anything really. No engine, it's just gonna scrape away. Because the wind's telling it to. Yeah, let's do it over here. Put it all backwards. We put it all backwards, guys. Silly.
Alright, the screw.
You do it the right way this time.
The right way this time. Alright, I think we are all tight. Alright. Alright. Looks like we got the new pieces on. Nice and secured. Looking good. Alright, now we just gotta add some stickers to make this thing cool. And then we're off. But very easy to fix if you have any broken pieces. So definitely recommend getting a Traxxas RC car.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like if you like.
Subscribe.
Comment down below. Let us know if you have any issues that you fixed yourself on your Traxxas, or if you've added any upgrades or anything like that.
Also, let us know which hand you thought the screw was in.
Alright, have a great day. Bye.